Chris, look at you. Passed out, snoring. Yes, that's the sound of you. Passed out, snoring. On my fucking bed. Yeah, not your bed, but my bed. Look at you snore like a motherfucker like that. Oh, you can't breathe. Oh, jeez. She's so getting drawn out. Red. I've read somewhere here. Red marker. Blue marker. Alright, so I've broken out all the markers. You got red, blue, and black. Chris, that sleepy guy, is so getting it. It's permanent too. Blue. Oh yeah. You almost see me. I think we'll just go with red. Beautiful. Black. 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 You're gonna hate me when you see this video. See, you look like Mike Tyson. Stephanie, come and help me with Chris. Come and look. Tiffany, you got earplugs in your head. Earplugs. Come and look. Come and look. Come on. Come on. I heart Paco. He'll see it when he looks in the mirror. He's gonna be so pissed at me. Oh yeah, this is Chris's phone too. Imagine that, buddy. You passed out in my bed. You shouldn't have done that. My bed. Mine.